So what I wanted to show you is this one. So if you have this, so you take that part and you need a 3/8 wrench, and it goes in there just like that. So what you're essentially doing is you put them in there. See all that groove? You should see that in the toilet, and that goes. It fits just directly in there. Okay, the part should fit in there directly. It goes in like that, and you turn it counterclockwise, like so. This is exactly how you're going to do it inside the tank, the toilet tank. Okay, you should be able to remove that. It should be easy to come out. So what? Oops, that's almost falling on my camera there. But what you essentially do is you take that part out and you remove that part. Okay, so this is how you replay this whole assembly. You put that back, and the whole thing should take you about 10 minutes or so. Okay, all right.